I think I need to do a child lock here. Excuse me. What up?
Do what?
Child's lock.
What is child's lock?
I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna read the menu. Child's lock is that you guys can't open from the inside.
Open outside.
Yeah. So ubulezo behlelo nowawa kuphela la ngasemuva ne? Ngowawa bekumele uhlele phakathi. Phakathi kwabantu.
Ngoba those are the rules.
Uvela vula umnyango, awumboni uvela vula? Yeah. But into
is key.
Yeah? Yes, key, but remember, angifuna ubona ngayo sekavule poqa ku highway. Serious.
Oh, hayi.
Andifuna ubona ngayo sekapoqa uhangama. Kazi?
Nangu kuyasela yena wow.
Okay, ngiphe.
Uzofaka ubhuti.
Khandiphe niphuze qha. Khamphuzise.
Uyakwazi sela.
Oh, uyaqedwa.
Iqhawuqedwa kakhulu. Wayo type jwani. Kubula ka face.
So. Wawa. Dinsangi.
Ubona bulela utokushapa because utypile no uyichethi kamitsi.
Dinsangi. Wawa. Dinsangi. Dinsangi. Sanibonani molweni muntu wami yo angikwazi ukuthi ungumuntu kabani Nkosi yami. Okay, nawe muntu wami ngongishayisa ngobaby Nkosi siya, how are you? Please check your inbox please. Did you send me money? I'll check it out. What did you send me? Why ukhuluma isiSuthu manje? My nephew, please greet us in Sesotho. Dumelang, the guy. My nephew's dad is Pedi, so he stays in Limpopo, so he doesn't understand this. So he doesn't understand this Xhosa either. So he speaks only isiPedi. Wawa. Okay. Skatsega bana. Watsega. Wawa. Utsega ke. Awutsegi. Wetsang mo. Sanibonani, please send me gifts. Tapsile Ndlovu. Alright, siyange right Tapsile, how are you? Nkosi, it's not money each. Ungisendele ini mangasengela ngemali. And yo nina guys nisenda ama DMs umuntu abesithi hi ku DM. Ngithola ukuthi kunama DM ayi50 umuntu athi hi. Angeke ngikhona ukuphendula wonke. If you want something best friend ngene endabeni. Yabo? Like maningi ama DM mangikhona ukwa check wonke, yabo? So if you want assistance with something you want me to promote for you, ngene endabeni. Please call her. Please let's talk Sesotho throughout. Obatla ke bua Sesotho. Oba ke botla Sesotho, oba ke botla Sesotho, oba ke bolela Sesotho. Ukuthi I mentioned you in a certain video, that's why ngisho since you're live. Oh, okay, no, not a problem, best friend. Hi Magalulonke. Anelisiwe, bonjour, como estás? Sawona siya unjani, long time no see. Hi Palesa CBC, long time no see. Nalda, you a teddy bear in a human form. Thank you. You're such a loving darling. Sanibonani ngibiziwe. Hi Nomsa. Show Malum, show lifestyle. Go say I want to know. What do you want to know, my dog? Kuningi kubiza awuzi kuma video. So promotion meeting, send me an email. I'm just looking to my bio and send me an email. I'll respond to my emails. Hi Bonjuzi, hi Makumalo. Hi Makumalo, Dumelang, the guy. The guy. Oh, Lila sent me a SpongeBob. Thank you for the SpongeBob. Thanks again, I'm a gift, guys.
Uzongena i1 up.
Thanks again, I'm a gift.
Uthi stuck uzonela i1 type.
Clear suitcase. Kanjani?
Angimazi ukuthi kanjani.
Ingingi suitcase. Okay.
Wadibanisa nezikama.
Akaze ne1 suitcase. Kabuye ne1 ibheke.
Okay, buya ne1 ke star. Sure.
Yeah? Oh, what happened now? Zim Kokusia, how much? Please look into my bio. Send me an email. Let's look what you want to do, and then I'll respond. My rate is not that hectic. It's not hectic, ne? Okay. Hi, Sia, sorry. Why Wawa? I'm a baby, and when they give kids, it's like Wawa. No. His name is Renelwe, but Wawa is a nickname that he was given by me. Wawa is his nickname. His real name is Renelwe. Okay. I see a sorry, but okay, I already answered that. Pearl, already answered Pearl. Ufunani la ungabeziwe Nkosi yami. Buhle inkinga. Oh my dog. Bethola mnandi. Zikhiphani la MP. Angode ngicungibize MP my dog. Kumele ungihost la MP. Kumele ungihost la. I really want to come to MP. Mpumalanga, Mpumalanga. Nangu ngebiziwe. Hi, nangu head office. Enhla bonjour, andibiziwe. Sanibonani. Bayadumela. Chomzama ningixoxele, what are you guys up to? How is your December? How's your December going? Nikuphi? Nenzani? Niphuzani? Nikhadlishe nobani? Nilinde bani? Nifonelwe ubani ukuthi nize? Or neza or anizi? Le achere bekakuthembisile ukuthi uzoza ugcina azile. Lo wamjide bekathembise imali yenwele ugcina agciwa ayisendile. Like kwenzakalani ngelife yenu? Yes, get curious. Like I really want to know skin routine this thing chom. Sinokonoko sana. Yenza faka best friend va. Sharp ke sana. Nangu sanibona Ndumelanga bonjour ndebeze wewe. Tebezewe. Nangu ngibiziwe nangu head office. Okay, kinali baby. Letsang li baby. Letsang mo. Ali diribana kere. Letsang twela. Ha? Letsang twela. Sebafaneni ngiphuza iwine. Uthenge izimpahla ze-3,000 for me. What? Shucks. Bakuthenga impahla ze-Christmas. Ze-3 hour. Bakuzamile poison. Ha. Wena mnandi mos. But I understand ukuthi someone make it make sense to me. Why abantu abadala bafuna ukuthenga impahla ze-Christmas kodwa abadala? Why? Bazozenzani impahla ze-Christmas? Why ungaqoki la jean lakhe lidabukile? Let's make a video collaboration, my dog. Why not? Why not, my dog? Send me a DM, poison. Let's work. Send me a DM. Let's work. Wow. I hope I'll carry tulos am lap. I'll rack it to the tag. What's here? Kilo better. Hello, Putsy. I'm still young. I deserve it. How old are you? If you think you deserve the Christmas, not guy like Caesar my table. How are you? Hi, good. How are you? I don't understand, my dog. I don't understand. Like, what the flipping hell? BK, hi Putsia, hi BK. Nikuphi nenzani nobani? Sikhatbani. Yabo? Andifuna ungitshela ukuthi nenzani. As andifuna ukwenza next, andifuna ukukhuluma nami, andifuna ukusengela ama-gift, andifuna ukulike live, andifuna urequest andikhulume nami. Like ayikho into ndifuna uyenza. Ngichaze ukuthi ndifuna ukwenzani. The guys make me laugh every time when I'm angry. Oh, that's nice. Lisa Dimotlo, kind regards. Hi. UK working. You're in UK, my dog. Please send me 22 pounds a day. Please send me 22 pounds a day, my dog. No Christmas clothes. Kanjan. Ubani ungena Christmas clothes ngeli xesha onyakeni. If I wouldn't have the Christmas clothes in this time of the year, my dog, nah, forget. None. Yeah? So? Eh? Ma? No, I'm not Uber, my dog. Shut. Ilinzinzimbi, lizomkhipha emkhukhwini. Limkhiphe bahle kabantu basemkhukhwini, madog. Ungadlanga acama ukuthi ubona kusemkhukhwini la canga ukuthi mara wena uhlele emkhukhwini uyayazi. Bro wami ukuphi? Ngise-Jimmy Steele, madog. Ngisemkhukhwini ekhaya. Bengizocheck u-Olid. Bengizocheck umama. Cash send yeyani. Ukuthi uyangibonga ukuthi ngikuhlekisile unyaka wonke. Ukuthi ungisendele impahla za Christmas. Anginampahla za Christmas, anginama cold drink we Christmas. Kanti why mina ningangifuni ukuthi ninginike ningisengele i-Christmas gift? Mina why ngingathele Christmas gift? Did you guys bath? We did. Why? Tina, we have water, my dog. I stayed in Soweto. We don't say it Midrand. People from Midrand, Johannesburg, the whole of Johannesburg, people of the whole of Johannesburg, they don't have water. Tembisa, Havana Mans. My dog, I stay in Soweto. In Soweto, we have water, we have electricity. Proper country. We stay there on that side. Okay? Thank you so much. Is that your son? Anesafani, no, that's my nephew. Sifuna ukutsho kanye nawe ukuthi sanibonana. Hi Nana at the back of Ndibiziwe. Wawa. Yeah. How do you medicine mo? Eat about you medicine. Ito walbo. Ito walbo. Ito walbo. Ito walbo. Ito walbo.
Sabul.
Ubo waka. Ubulela. Ubulela kamo. Iri dumela. Ubulela albon. Ubulela albon. Baba sab. Huh? Baba sab. Baba sab. Bulela albon. Huh? Wawa. Renel. Wait. Okay, my mom is coming and my sister. Do you have Mukuru in Soweto so that I send you Bonjuice allowance? Mukuru, no. Send to my bank account. What was the matter with Mukuru. You can send to me, Mukuru. I will draw it. What do I need to withdraw it? Send, best friend. I'll make a plan. I can't say no to money. We have in Soweto. No, they don't have water in Midrand. You can't have water because they don't have water in Ivory Park as well. So if there's no water in Ivory Park, there's no water in Tembisa. What do you mean? Yay! Mukuru is easy and instant. Send that to me. What do I need to withdraw? Oh, let me follow you, my friend. People who send me money, I love them. Because they love me, you know. They want me to be happy. Do you guys want to see my mom? Do you want to see my mom? You must send my daughter something the way she likes it. Can the moms or I can't go on our? Oh. Nikhuluma ubani ozodrayiva imoto yami. Oh, wait. Ubani ozohlala ngaphambili? Okay, kumele sikhulume. Uwawa iyangistress naba kawawa. Uwawa uvule umnyango apha ngasemuva uyangistress. Angavuli uwawa umnyango imoto yahamba. Kuzomela ube net talk naye. Ubhante ngalibona angavula umnyango imoto yahamba. Ukuthi yena uyaqala ubona imoto kwami. Utsho. Thina kwazi moto park loba baka kwa moto. Yo hayi ngxaki. Yeah, asambeni singaze baze traffic asambeni. Mama, we will see you in the Eastern Cape. Nangu mama mke uzobulisa mama. These are my people.
Hello, Bulisa.
Sanibonani, molweni Abshen. Molweni bonjour. Ndibisi.
Bonjour.
Wow.
Bonjour.
20 euros. You can send 50, best friend. You can send 20 is fine. I can't say no to 20. 50 would be nice, you know. 50. Okay, madam. Never a crane. Ngalahleki. Ibhasi enibonile iphuma ngabantu xeshana.
Phuma abantu.
Ndimxelelo.
7 o'clock. Kuthi kukhulu babayi. Apha sabe ngo 1 o'clock siyaphuma.
Hayi ningaphuma ngo 1 ngo 3.
Ngo 3 mama yo 1 go.
Not ngo 1.
Silahleka siye.
Anizola epark station mama nosuka apha neJimmy bambe taxi lanto.
Park station.
No, kaloku kumele niye Jimmy bambe taxi Joburg.
Oh, so in the Cape Verde.
Ubani ngenginezele in Eagline has Eagline
baqhela basakhona nto Eagline baqhela basakhona
aniyazi Eagline anina
inyawo zihlele kanje
Francis,
ngizonibona
content
Mamela I'm a princess,
and here's my sister lo uzala imuva kwami
I said a princess.
uyapha kuseswami silozala uyapha ningamnaki mama wako is fun. She's so fun, mama. Okay guys, I'm leaving. My phone is flat. I need to charge. There's a lot. Okay Tommy I'm a Britain ngisendele dane. Please send there. Don't forget to send money for your friend, ne? Okay. Thank you. Please Google. What is Google? Please DM me so that we can finalize the payment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ilokhiwe, there's no locker than that. Kavula ubona kuyavuleka na ukho. Uyalibona? Ngilokhiwe. No, liyaloka, mawulivula kodwa ngaphakathi. I need to check my manuals ngenze i-child lock. Ngizonibona.